Good morning, everyone. I am Vijendra and welcome to the DebtCircle Morning Brief for the 6th of July 2026. Let's begin with today's top market headlines. The Indian rupee and government bonds are attracting foreign investor interest despite continued strength in the US dollar. Foreign portfolio investors are increasing their exposure to Indian debt while remaining cautious on equity investments. Indian banks are reducing short-term bond issuances as cheaper overseas foreign currency funding becomes available. Bank credit growth continues to outpace deposit growth across India's banking sector. HDFC Bank reported first quarter advances growth of 15.4% year-on-year, while total deposits crossed 31,70,000 crore rupees. The average gold loan ticket size in India increased by 39% year-on-year to approximately 1,96,000 rupees. Punjab National Bank recorded loan growth of 13%, while Bank of India reported a stronger loan growth of 19% during the first quarter. Tata Capital is preparing to launch its second US dollar bond issue this week. Satin Creditcare's assets under management are nearing 16,000 crore rupees, while disbursements increased by 54% year-on-year. The Reserve Bank of India imposed a combined penalty of 66,70,000 rupees on Bank of Baroda and GIC Housing Finance. Artha Bharat has launched GIFT City's first physical gold fund. Bank of Maharashtra's total business grew 19% to 6,51,000 crore rupees. IBL Finance has proposed the listing of non-convertible debentures and has scheduled its annual general meeting for the 31st of July. Tata Steel plans to invest 20,000 crore rupees during financial year 2027 to support its expansion plans. Falling bond yields are encouraging companies to raise funds, with corporate bond fundraising reaching approximately 17,000 crore rupees. Now let's look at the India government securities yield curve. 1-year yield stands at 5.70%, 3-year at 6.22%, 5-year at 6.40%, 7-year at 6.61%, 9-year at 6.74%, 10-year at 6.70%, 15-year at 6.95%, and the 30-year yield stands at 7.32%. Moving to the United States Treasury yield curve. 1-year is 3.94%, 3-year is 4.16%, 5-year is 4.22%, 7-year is 4.34%, 10-year is 4.48%, and the 30-year yield is 4.98%. In the currency market, the US dollar is trading at 95 rupees and 40 paise against the Indian rupee, compared with 95 rupees and 23 paise previously. The euro is at 109 rupees and 5 paise. The British pound is at 127 rupees and 29 paise. The Japanese yen remains at 59 paise. The Chinese yuan is trading at 14 rupees and 4 paise. In commodities and markets, 24-karat gold is priced at 14,662 rupees per 10 grams. Silver is trading at 2,450 rupees per 10 grams. Crude oil is at $72.09 per barrel. The Sensex closed at 78,257.51, while the Nifty ended at 24,410.30. In the primary corporate bond market, HDB Financial Services raised 1,000 crore rupees through a 36-month bond at a coupon of 7.90%, carrying AAA ratings from CARE Ratings and CRISIL Ratings. NIIF Infrastructure Finance raised 985 crore rupees across multiple tranches ranging from 65 to 119 months, with coupon rates between 7.80% and 7.95%. The issue is rated AAA by CARE Ratings and ICRA. Ambium Finserv raised 30 crore rupees through a 21-month bond carrying a coupon of 11.16% with a BBB- rating from CARE Ratings. There is no auction scheduled for today. Looking ahead, this week's key events include the State Development Loan Auction on the 7th of July, the Treasury Bills Auction on the 8th of July, the IVCA Private Credit Summit on the 9th of July, the Future of Finance Summit on the 9th of July in New Delhi, the International Conference on Mergers, Acquisitions and Corporate Restructuring on the 12th of July in Kolkata, the International Conference on Credit Risk and Banking Analytics on the 25th of July in Mumbai, and the International Conference on Digital Banking and Financial Technologies on the 25th of July in Bhopal. That concludes today's DebtCircle Morning Brief. Thank you for watching. Have a productive day, and we will see you again with the next market update.